Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Binance platform. First, you'll need to set up your account and complete the identity verification process, which typically takes only a few minutes. Once verified, you can easily deposit funds using several convenient options, including bank transfers or credit and debit cards. The platform offers a straightforward interface, making it simple to navigate through different trading options like spot and futures. Binance provides diverse trading options to suit your strategy. You can choose from various order types, including market orders for instant execution or limit orders to set your desired price. The platform also offers robust charting tools, helping you analyze market trends and make informed decisions. With hundreds of trading pairs, you have extensive choices for buying and selling digital assets. Security is paramount on Binance. Always enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app or SMS for an extra layer of protection. The platform organizes your funds into different wallets, such as spot, futures, and funding, for better management. When you're ready to withdraw, you can securely transfer your assets to an external wallet or directly to your bank account, following a few simple steps. Beyond trading, Binance offers numerous features to grow your crypto. Explore staking and savings products to earn passive income on your holdings. You can also participate in launchpad projects, gaining early access to new token listings. Should you need assistance, Binance provides extensive customer support and a wealth of educational resources to help you navigate the platform effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.